Let's balance the chemical equation CaOH2 plus H3PO4, calcium hydroxide plus phosphoric acid. We'll also talk about the type of reaction and the states. So let's look at the type of reaction first. We have a base, we have this hydroxide bonded to a metal, the OH bonded to a metal. That's going to be a base. This is phosphoric acid. So these come together, we get a salt, and we get water. So this is neutralization, an acid and base neutralizing. It's also double displacement. Let's balance the equation. We'll use a bit of a trick to help us out. 1 calcium, 2 times 1, 2 oxygens, 2 hydrogens, plus the 3 here. So we have 5. And here's the trick. We have the phosphate here and here. It's a polyatomic ion, and we're going to count it as one thing. We'll get the same answer either way. This is just faster. So we have our 1 phosphate here. And you'll note I didn't count these oxygens with the other ones in the hydroxide because we're treating this as just a separate thing. Product side, 3 calciums, 1 oxygen, 2 hydrogens, and then 1 phosphate times 2. So let's start with the calciums. We can put a 3 in front of the calcium hydroxide. 1 times 3, that'll balance the calciums. Then for the oxygens, 2 times the 1 times 3. So that's 2 times 3, that'll give us 6. Let's update the hydrogens. So 2 times the 1 hydrogen times 3, that's 6, plus the 3 hydrogens here, that's 9. Let's do the phosphates now here. We could put a 2 in front of the H3PO4. So our 1 phosphate times 2, that'll give us 2. Then the hydrogens, let's update those. We have 2 times 1 times 3, that's 6, plus 3 times 2, that's 6. That gives us 12. But really now we just need to balance the hydrogens and the oxygens. If we put a 6 in front of the water, 2 times 6, that's 12. Balance the hydrogens, 1 times 6, that's 6. And we're done. This equation is balanced. So that trick of counting the phosphate as one thing, that works on all kinds of chemical equations. Makes things a lot faster. If we were to write the states, the calcium hydroxide is considered a strong base. That's aqueous. Phosphoric acid is aqueous. Phosphates in general are insoluble. Calcium phosphate is insoluble. Put a solid, and water, that's going to be a liquid. This is Dr. B with the balanced equation for CaOH2 plus H3PO4, calcium hydroxide plus phosphoric acid. The type of reaction is a neutralization reaction. You could also call it a double displacement reaction. Thanks for watching.